press the bell icon on YouTube app. And never miss another update. Subscribe our channel now. Although there are numerous people who would love to explore and live in new places, many do not have the funds. However, there are countries that will actually pay you to move to their country. While there are prerequisites in some cases, most countries offer a great opportunity for a new lifestyle and culture. For instance, some countries will lower your bills and taxes for making the move. Other countries provide prompt financial incentives to finance your startup adventure. Here are just a few to give you an idea of the numerous opportunities. So let's get started. Number 1. Canada. If you are graduated from college and are intrigued by Saskatchewan, this offer could be ideal. The town is offering tuition reimbursements for amounts up to $20,000 Canadian dollars. This is the equivalent of $15,956 US dollars. To qualify, you must be a college graduate in 2010 or after. Compensation is presented in the form of non-refundable tax credit and is paid out in segments up to 10 years. Number 2. Chile. If you are looking to begin a startup business, then Chile may be ideal. They will pay you $50,000 to begin your startup there. On the other hand, your startup needs to have the potential of becoming a huge global success. During the first 6 months you have to reside in Chile. In addition to the funds, you will be granted a 1-year work visa and a list of business contacts. Other benefit is that everything is in English. Number 3. Ireland. This country wants to attract worldwide entrepreneurs. If you feel that your startup has a large growth probability, you can apply for funding with Enterprise Ireland. If and when accepted, you are rewarded with thousands of funds and the opportunity to live and work in Ireland. Keep in mind, Ireland is renowned for its deluxe standard of living and low tax rates for new businesses. Number 4. New Zealand. Although you do not get paid actual money, the town of Kaitangata offers a new home with a 4-acre of land for $230,000 New Zealand dollars. This is equal to $165,000 US dollars. Generally these same house market for about $394,482 US dollars. This is due to a shortage of people in an area that has approximately 1,000 jobs in that region. Number 5. Thailand, Korea or Vietnam. These 3 countries offer very similar programs and ways of life, respectively. Each is always in search of people from the United States and Europe to teach English as well as other subjects. Although Korea pays the best, Thailand and Vietnam have a lower cost of living. As well, Thailand and Vietnam have been growing economically and increasingly competitive. Many of the programs also offer air flight costs to your destination and back when the teaching position is finished. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.